Hello everybody, it's Benjamin here, and this might be the best budget microphones under $200 for content creators. So we're gonna find out. But before we go, please subscribe down below. It doesn't cost you a thing. Just hit the little subscribe button down below to help a small YouTuber out. So let's get down to the video. The mic comes in this little pouch, which is compact, durable. It's like the size of my hands, kinda. So we'll open it up, and this is what comes in this little pouch, your traveling pouch. So we've got the mic in this little charging case, which is small and little. In this charging case, you have like 20 hours of battery with the case, and without the case, is each and every one of the mics is like 8 hours of battery. So pretty nice, pretty good. So that aside, it comes with all these extra like accessories and cables that you can use. So it comes with the two mufflers for the mics in case of you are in a windy place, and also USB-C to USB-A for the charging case. And this is for your laptop and phones, which you kind of see like there's a little like icon on there. So your laptop and phones, and this is for your, in case you want to plug it into your phone, but of course you will need this to plug it in. So for an iPhone, of course the iPhone 15 Pro Max, now you can use this, but for the older iPhones you will have to get like this little dongle, this white little dongle, and this is for your normal. In this case, you have two transmitters and you have this one receiver. So as soon as you take it out of the box, this will turn on, and this automatically connects to the receiver. So it's very convenient, it's very quick, as you see it. And you can see it has a little monitor on the receiver. You can check your audio levels and everything, which is quite good. This mic doesn't come with a jack to connect to it to have a lavalier mic to hide the mic, so it might be a downside for other people. Also, it doesn't come with storage in this mic, like such as the DJI or the Rode Mic Go. So it might be a downside. You need to connect the receiver directly into your camera or your smartphone or your laptop to be able to store the audio onto the device. So this mic comes with noise cancellation, and with the click of the button on the side, when the light turns green, which means the noise cancellation is on. So let's try it out. So I don't know how it sounds, but we are at the gym right now trying to test this out. What a perfect place to test the denoise. Well, that's what they call it. So I hope this sounds all right, and I hope it sounds good. I'm not sure how it sounds, but you guys should tell me down below in the comment section and see if any noise are coming in or you notice any difference on the sound on this. For professionals who don't like people saying like the microphones and stuff, then it might bother them. But yes, you can see it's just a little microphone. You have it on your side. If you're a content creator or you are influencer that you want to have like a little mic to up your audio quality, then this is perfect for you. If you don't mind people seeing your mic, like how I don't mind people seeing it, so it might be one of the best microphone for you to invest in. And it has a very good audio quality. The audio you're listening now is coming from this little mic right here. As you can see, the mic is very little, it's very minimal, and unless, well, you can see it perfectly, but it's not big and bulgy, and it's not too heavy, it's very lightweight. So this microphone comes in a range of 200 meters, which is 656 feet range. So we're gonna try and test it out, and I'm gonna go back and see if the mic sounds all right. I'm turning my back on the camera. So we are quite a bit far. I'm not sure if it still sounds good on the mic, but we're gonna be trying to walk back now, and we're gonna be talking a bit of gibberish. So bear with me. So as you can hear from this test, when you are a bit far away from the receiver or from the camera you're connected with, you can hear a bit of distortion on your voice, and your voice start to change a bit. So that's a bit of a con when it comes to that, or when you're a bit of a distance. But when you're back to the camera, everything is normal. So if you're listening to this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, please, and let's grow this small YouTube out. I want to one day be on the same event as the man himself, Mr. MKBHD, and also Aaron, Mr. Who's the Boss. So let's do this, and then one day we'll come back to this video and we will all be remembering the time I said all this. So this is it. I'm back on the normal range. I think I'm like 5 feet away from the camera, and I still sound really well. So that's it. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe down below. Comment any thoughts that you have about this video down below, and also if you have any ideas or any tech questions that you want to ask it down below. And until next time, bye.